Okay, here we go. It's a tutorial.
Oh no.
Oh yes, key concepts. Photosynthesis. Right? Oops, photo. Synth. Yep, making sugar from light energy. Woohoo! So what do we know? What do we not know? Light-dependent reactions also take our photosystems 1 and 2 are the light-dependent reactions. Photo part is that solar light energy. We got to capture energy, charge up, right? Phosphorylate and reduce. NADP, add a phosphate to get ATP, 2 phosphates to 3 phosphates, NADP, NADPH, that's your electron carrier. We need that for light independent. The ATP we make goes right into light independent reactions. Can't be used for other stuff. What else? Let's not confuse with cell respiration. Right? In cell respiration, yes, we make ATP. Woohoo! We also use NAD to H it and FAD H2 to reduce it, right? These guys are cell respiration. This guy, right, is photosynthesis. Same idea, electron carrier, and ATP, right, energy. Goes into the light independent reaction. This is where we synthesize stuff. We make glucose using the energy of ATP and the electron carrier NADPH. We recycle that guy, we recycle that guy. We use carbon dioxide and water, right? We use water here. Here's where we release oxygen. So what goes in, what goes out? Super important. Those are going to be the kind of questions you're going to get. So what is the difference? Ooh, light-dependent reaction. What goes in? What are the reactions? Reactants goes in. What comes or goes out? Light-dependent. It's dependent on light. Light independent. No light needed. Also known as Kelvin. This is photosystems 1 and 2. Don't forget. Right? What do we get? We get glucose. What goes in? What comes out? We got to know it.
Oh no.
Oh, yeah. So key concepts. Photosynthesis. Conversion of light energy to chemical energy. What? This is solar. Oh, jeez. Solar. What is this? Glucose. Sugar. Chemical energy. Right? CO2 from thin air to make glucose. 6 carbon sugar. Right? We take these carbons. What happens? We release that oxygen. Woohoo! Carbons go into sugar. 2 linked sets of reactions. Light capturing. And the ones that don't need capturing, right? Electron carrier donated to the electron transport chain. Yes, another electron transport chain. Don't confuse it with the electron transport chain of cellular respiration. Again, we're making ATP, chemiosmosis, ATP synthase, oxidative phosphorylation, synthase. Ooh, Kelvin cycle. This is light independent because we don't need it. It doesn't happen to happen in the dark, but we don't need light for it. Remember Rubisco, that big guy, catalyzes addition of CO2 to 5-carbon compound, blah, blah, blah. Send it through that Kelvin cycle. Don't confuse Kelvin cycle. What other cycle do we know about? Krebs. Don't confuse. That's cell respire. Don't confuse. Use the ATP. Uses NADPH. Pops that guy off, right? CO2 enters photosynthetic tissues through what? The stomata. What are they? Opening in the leaves. CO2 has to get in. It's a gas. Where does the gas oxygen come out? Stomata. And then remember, there's a little tutorial for this guy so some species can make photosynthesis more efficient. Why don't all do that? Well, probably because wherever they were indigenous to, they didn't need to evolve those to survive. So then when we move them around into different places, there's no intelligent design. It is what it is. It's just the way it is.
No.
Yeah. So that's what we need to know nice and quickly. And you can always get ready for another tutorial now, because this one is done.
No!